Hey everybody, the Atomic Weasel here, riding another day in paradise. Hasn't been so, parasitic, paradiesel. It hasn't been so nice for the last few days. It's been absolutely tipping down. So I was able to plug in the microphone. Because those of you who use the GoPro know, especially after the Hero 5, know that there's an adapter, and it's not completely and 100% waterproof. So although I have been able to ride with my my camera on, I haven't been able to get my microphone adapted in because it's been that wet. But today, even though it's a little overcast and a little bit cloudy, and it's not going to rain, so slap in the mic, jump on the bike, have a chat to y'all. Now I did a bit of work on the bike. I'm now running Pennzoil, the Pennzoil? Sorry, Penrite caster racing oil. So it's caster based, which means it has better lubrication, cleaner burning, less ashing, which is when you're in a two-stroke, makes all the difference in the world, and it smells nice too. So we did that. I was able to use a friend's garage because it was tipping down, so changed the oil over completely. So told you can't, not allowed to mix it with mineral oil. So we dumped all the old oil and added the new stuff. So, and it seems to be going all right. Although at the moment it seems to be a little bit of a misfire. So I'll have to check the plugs, because I did the plugs as well, and the terminals, and had the bike stripped down and give it a good old clean up. She's getting a bit ragged and dirty over the last few weeks because of the weather, and unfortunately I don't have my bike in a garage. I don't have a garage or a shed to myself. It's locked up under cover, or under a bike cover, which unfortunately has seen better days. I'm hoping to move to a new place later on this year, one that does actually have a shed where I can store the beast, because the last thing I want is the little bastard to be living outside all its life. So it's just too hard. But no, apart from that misfire, the bike seems to be going all right. Not much really to add onto that. And at that point, I'm still waiting for the damn mirrors. Don't know how long they're going to be. I got a message from the supplier in China and said, oh no, they're definitely on the way, but we've got 10 more days. If I don't see them in 10 more days, then I lodge a dispute and I get the money back. So it's been too long, and I've got the warrant of fitness coming up. It should fly by through that, shouldn't be an issue, but that's coming up later this month, so I'm hoping to get the warrant of fitness. The mirror is on before the warrant of fitness. In terms of the air cleaner, I'm going to leave the original air box on during the winter, and we'll just use a more, how to describe it, a more racy version during the summertime when we've got less chance of getting water in. So we'll see how that works out, but everything seems to be kicking along. But yeah, Palmas North at this time of year, weather's up and down. It's not too cold. I mean, it was about 7 degrees Celsius last night. So it's, I mean, don't have to have the heater on or anything. But yeah, the Cricket World Cup, poor New Zealand. They're They're into the semi-finals, but they've got being rained out. They've got a shocking total against India. By the time this video comes out, India probably would have already won. So, oh really? Oh well. Never mind. At the time we're watching the Wimbledon tennis as well. Wimbledon's been absolutely brilliant. So we're lucky here. We get a free air on the Duke, which is a TVNZ subsidiary. It's always good. Free sport. That's what the world should be on. No more Sky. Get rid of Sky. Do away with Sky. But at the moment, I am looking not to replace, but to goodness, but to compliment the little bastard. Because as much as I love the Skoot, round town it's unbeatable. There's nothing that beats it round town. Absolutely nothing. It'll do touch on 90 kilometers an hour. Sometimes a wee bit faster, so I can do that around town quite easily. I need a little bit of a larger bike where I'm able to go further afield, something a bit more dual purpose, you know, like a KLR or DR or a CRF. Oh, really doesn't want to go. Throttle's wide open and it's just not there. Nothing. Absolutely nothing there. Yeah, you can feel it just jerking and spluttering. I don't know what it is. That's not a good sign. I'll have to get that apart in the weekend, have a look, see what the gut says, see what's shaking loose or not. But it's good to see the blue sky out and about. It's getting a bit tedious having the rain and the drizzle and stuff. So I'm going to sign off as I'm fast approaching work. Hope you all have a great day and ride safe, everybody.